3, 2, 1.
Weasel. I get it just because it's historically relevant. That's a video game. What they did.
Yeah.
So that's my main reason for wanting it. That's kind of cool.
That's why I was asking about whatever that other game I asked you about, Counter-Strike or something like that.
Yeah.
Because I was watching YouTube and it was talking about, you know, realistic shooters and stuff like that. I didn't know if it was old or not.
I think it's old. I mean, I could be wrong.
It sounds super familiar, like I heard it from the past.
You see my marker?
Yeah, I'm gonna go when you go. Did they go inside the house?
Yeah, they ran around the backside.
Oh nope, he's inside still. I seen him.
Alright, they're also.
Alright, yep.
Right, nope, he's moving back to the green.
I got one just left.
I'm about to be out of ammo.
He fell to his death.
There's one.
I put him out of his misery. One right here.
You try,
Dead.
Because
One white,
I
get out my
was
lobby.
just in that kind of mood, so I looked up the whole Senpai song, and it popped up, and I watched the video, and I was like, since I saw this, y'all had to. But no, Stevie knows. I'm gonna die because I'm an idiot, but it's Stevie knows. If you're around me, if you can come revive me, that'd be cool. Mr. Scott. Their shields and then.
I mean, I was peppering them just now with the plane, but they. Yeah, show yourself again, boy. No. No. No, what the hell? Let me up.
Pushing up to the top of the peak.
Yeah, they're still up there.
It's like boom, man!
Down one, one's down.
Yeah, I'm still getting shot at.
I down one. If you can get the guy with the red hat. I don't know if he done revived his teammate.
Yeah, helicopter.
He's taking heli.
Yep, I'm moving.
He jumped out, coming for you. Yeah, he's coming for you.
Yep, I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead.
I paid his teammate. Teammate's down. He's going back to revive his teammate.
Get a life, you fat fuck!
Down them, they're both dead. Squad wipe. Get out of my lobby. You're trash. You're dog water. You're trash, kid.
How did I not kill them? I had a shield break and I thought they were down. And then you have to know I have to do it. I'm back to storage.
Oh no.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
To your death or somebody kill you?
Oh, I fell to my death.
Good
But I was
talk.
like, I fell to my death. I was like 2 feet from the ground though. I don't understand that. If you want to come pick me up, that'd be
I'm
great.